What is all this money doing? It's because I'm teaching you how to make $100 a day. This is a free traffic video, $100 a day on the biggest photo sharing site in the world, or second biggest, not posting photos. And just to give you an idea of how many people use this site, which I'm about to show you, 87 million people use this photo sharing site. That is the entire population of Germany. Just to give you an idea, is the entire population of France and Spain combined. Okay, so that is 87 million people are using this photo sharing site, and I'm going to show you 4 ways, exactly step by step, how to get this money. So number 1, you're going to have to join. You're going to have to join, apply to some places to get your links to companies that will pay you money. Number 2 is you're gonna have to get your links. Number 3 is you're gonna have to post them. I'm gonna show you how to post them and where to post them and what to write when you do, okay? Then you just get a check. You get a check in the mail, or you get a wire to your bank account when you make sales. Again, results are not guaranteed. You know, you have to get sales doing this. You know, nobody's just giving you free money. Obama was trying to do that. And that's it. So this is going to be very easy. It works worldwide. No matter what country you're in, you can make this work. No matter what age you are. If you're 13 years old, I don't want to see your whiny butt posting in my comments saying, oh, does this work for a 12-year-old? It does. Let's get into the video. We're going to go over this on my computer right now. Let's do it. Once again, we're going over how to make $100 a day on Flickr, which is one of the largest photo sharing sites in the world, without posting any photos. Now that may seem weird because we're talking about a photo sharing site that 87 million people per month use. How do you make money without posting photos, right? Doesn't seem like it makes sense. Now this is what Flickr looks like, but you're not going to be placing ads either. This has nothing to do with advertising. Also, this video has nothing to do with e-commerce, and it doesn't require you to spend any money on software or anything else. What this video requires to do is simply post links and make money. Now, the only method where you can actually just post links and make money without providing any customer support, without having a business or a business address or any of that stuff. There's just so much stuff involved in running a business. You don't want to do that. So you don't have to do that. You don't even need to register a website. In fact, what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for affiliate networks. And I have a couple different affiliate networks here. I'm not going to go too deep into them, but the ClickFunnels affiliate program is really great. All these links are in the description. By the way, stay to the end of the video, and I'm going to give you literally, I'm going to show you how to access templates to do each of the specific steps that I'm going through. So you don't even have to write anything yourself. Now, I'm going to suggest you modify my text, but you can literally do this method, copy, paste, and I will give you the file. I will shout it out. So don't just skip to the end of the video and try to skip back. I see you trying to do that. I'm going to tell you the file, where you can find that, and then you can just copy paste the text, but you won't understand how to do that if you skip ahead. So ClickFunnels affiliate program will buy a dream car for you. So I suggest you try signing up for this program. Okay, sign up, link is in the description. Super Affiliate Network is a great affiliate network, which I 100% suggest you sign up for. They have great training, they have great events, lots of average people making money from around the world. This program is absolutely fantastic. MaxWeb, another affiliate network, digital product affiliate network, Digistore, but the affiliate network we're going to be focused on is clickbank.com. So you see that right there. And you just sign up, you create an account, and then once you've created an account, you're going to click on this link right here, which is the affiliate marketplace. Now, what we'll do is I'm going to zoom through this, but you'll want to scroll down and you'll want to go to e-business and e-marketing, and you're going to select this product right here. Okay, so this is the second top product right now. It should be one of the top products. It's my product. You will make $500 from promoting this. That's the average amount of money you make as a commission from helping sell my product. Now my product costs about $1,000, so it's $500 for me, $500 for you. Fair? 50-50. We're business partners. Now give me a like, get that notification bell for the #1 money channel on YouTube. I'm not here selling you courses, I'm not here selling you anything. What I'm here trying to do is I want us both to make money together. Our incentives are aligned, unlike those other channels which are trying to get view time or watch time. Yeah, and keep in mind, I only want you here on this channel if you are committed to being and taking action and being an affiliate marketer. If you're not interested in that, make sure you unsubscribe, because I want us to both make money together. I want my wolf pack. If you don't like my views on things, if you don't like my use of language or whatever, please leave. I don't want you on the channel. I want us making money. So let's go into this. Okay, so we'll click promote, and right there, that button, see, click promote. I'll just show you again. Promote. And we're gonna click promote, and once you sign up, you'll get an account nickname and you'll enter it right there. And I'm just gonna type in Flickr. Okay, we're just going to use the default link, ignore all this gobbledygook, and we will click generate top links right there. Feel free to pause and go back in this video if I'm going too fast. And actually, let me know in the comments, am I going too fast or am I going too slow? Let me know in the comments. Just say too fast or too slow. I'm interested where it ends up. I think it's going to be 50-50, but I'm interested to see what happens for you guys. Okay, so then we're going to copy this link, or I will click right there to copy the link. I'm going to put that in a notepad right there. And then I'm going to go to bit.ly.com, okay, and I'm going to post my link in right here. I click shorten, and then I copy that, and I throw it back in my notepad so I have it, because we're going to come back and we're going to use this link later. Let's move onwards. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to refer to my templates right here. This template file, I will tell you where to access it by the end of the video, but just know that you are going to receive this at the end of the video so that you can copy and paste this too. Now, how this file works is I have a number of free traffic methods up here. They correspond to different videos of mine on my channel. Now, if you want to watch some of these other videos on free traffic methods of ways you can get your affiliate link out there and start making money, check out the free traffic method playlist. I'll have my Filipino people put it somewhere around here. And it will take us down to the Flickr area. Now, once again, 87 million users, 3.5 million images are uploaded daily, and it hosts over 6 billion images. So there's a lot of people using this site. It's one of the top sites on the internet. You may not have heard of it, but that's because less than 1% of people in the world have. There's 7 billion people in the world. So the point is, 1% of the people in the world use it, which is still a lot of people, and you can make a lot of money. All you need to make $500 a day is one sale a week. Just think about that. One customer per week. You can do that. And I'm going to show you how. So we go over here to Flickr, and you will want to register for an account or whatnot. So here we can go and we can see a lot of top trending photos. Let's just say we see this got 5 million views, this image, and 362 comments. This photo got 370 comments, 5 million views. This photo got 4 million views. This photo got 300,000 views. So some of the photos are getting a lot of views and a lot of comments. Now, here's where we come in. We're going to use Flickr to actually, we're going to go right here to the comments section. We want to do outreach to people. We want people to see our messages. We want to share our link with people. Now, we have a few advantages here. Now, we can see these people right here, and just let's click view all comments on the photo page right there. We're going to click that. We see hundreds of comments. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add every single person here with a Western sounding name, because Western people generally have more, money, or English. Stephanie Pearl, Aaron Aardvark, Jerry Jacks, Stefan, Villa Waterkill, I'm just adding a number of people. If they have a pro account, I'm gonna add it. Okay, so here we are on Flickr, and you can see some of these photos get a lot of views. We're looking right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. We see this photo has gotten 6 million views right there, 200 comments. We see this photo, 6.5 million views, almost 1,000 comments of a little boy and a goose. Ain't that sweet? Let's see this photo right here, 6 million views, hundreds of comments. Now what we're gonna do is, this is where we come in, and we're gonna go right to that comments section right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to my message scripts, and we see comment scripts. I'm just going to say examples, because frankly, the opportunity for you to get good as a marketer and for you to really succeed and have more success is not to copy these directly, but to modify them and test out different scripts. Use different bit.ly links with different scripts so you can see which scripts work the best. And the way you can do that is when you click promote, you can say, Flickr script 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. and create different links around each of those different scripts that you use and figure out which ones get the best reaction. Now that's going into the analytics and split testing is a little too deep for this video, so I'm not going to go any further into that, but you can figure that out yourself. And that's the way to take things to the next level. Okay, so here we opened up a comment area, and we're going to go to our proven scripts, and I'm going to say start earning from $200 per day. We're going to go here and we're going to paste it in, and what we're going to do is this place where it says link, this is where we replace it with our link. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, I'm going to replace this with our link. I'm just going to copy this whole script. And there we go. So as you see, just boom, we have our comment. It's on there. People, the next people that come on this photo are going to see it. And once again, remember, 6 million people have viewed this photo. So it's almost kind of crazy. We're going to get in front of a lot of people, and you can do this for every single photo. This photo, 5.5 million views, 500 comments. This is how you get your affiliate links out there. Comment, post our link, and we have to wait a second for it to go to space and back. Boom, there we go. It's on again. We can do this all day. Do this as much as you can. Get your photos out there. But I'm gonna show you one more method which is a bit more effective to make large amounts of money from Flickr, and it's almost guaranteed to get seen by everyone that you send it to. Your link is going to be sent to them 3 different ways. Now, if you're seeing the money, type in photo money right down below, okay? Type in photo money in the comments. If you are seeing the light, if your mind's blown, type in mind blown. But this is easy stuff, easy ways to make money. And once again, if you're looking for ways to free traffic methods, I go over a lot of this on the channel, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to join my money club. After you subscribe, you can join my money club, hit the notification bell, because we're going over this stuff all day, every day, and I want you to be successful. And even share this on your Facebook page. You know, I invite you to share this on your social media profiles if you are excited and seeing these free ways to make money online. Again, the reason this is the #1 money channel on YouTube is because we're working together. You make money, I make money, and we both benefit. So let's check this out. For this, I'm going to go to a photo with a bit more comments. So we see 500 comments, so I'm going to click on this, and I am going to go right here where it says view all comments on the photo page, okay? We see beautiful photo. I mean, that's amazing. That's actually really gorgeous. We're going to go down here, and we see that a lot of people are posting. So what I'm going to focus on is I'm going to focus on only the people. We're going to send messages, and I'm only focusing on the people that say pro right here, okay? So I'm all the people that say pro. Now this account was deleted, but I'm just gonna open this up, open in new tab. See, I'm doing open in new tab right there. Or you could click the control button and you could click control, click, control, click, control, click, control, click. I'm gonna hit up everybody who has a pro account. Now you might be wondering, John, why are you adding everybody who has a pro account? Now this is part of what's called targeting, right? So there's 87 million people on this website, but I only want to go after the people who have the most money because I want to sell products to them. I want to go after people who have money, and anybody who has a pro account, it means they're spending at least like $5 a month. So it means they have money, it means they have a credit card, and usually it also means they're a photographer because pro account, you're usually hosting photos on Flickr. So we know a few things about them. They have money, they have a credit card, and they're a photographer. Now let's go on to the next step, but I want to help you understand because we're selling products. So we want to link, we know they have money, we know they have credit card, so we're going to link photography and what we're selling to them. I'll show you, it'll make sense in the next step. Okay, so here's where the magic happens. Now, when you have access to this file, what you'll want to go to is you'll want to go to this area that says direct message script, okay? And we are going to copy this right here, and we're going to click copy. And we're going to go to these people that we added on Flickr. Now, you notice this person, Unintended Keith, has a pro account, and he has a number of photos. So what we're going to say is, we're going to comment on his photo of the kingfisher. Okay, this is a kingfisher, see? Now we're gonna send him a message. So what we do is we wanna click this button right here, and we want to send him a message, and we click right there, and we're just gonna say kingfisher, and we're going to paste this. We'll just say, hey. Hey Keith. So we just typed in his name because we know he's Keith. And we say, I really like your photos, especially Kingfisher one. I was wondering if you're monetizing it. I could say, or created some sort of business around it. And I say, I went through this online training recently and noticed a lot of photographers seem to be having success with it. So again, we're linking photographers with the product we're trying to sell. I haven't made a lot of money yet with it, but maybe it would help you out. The good stuff's at about the hour mark. It says links, so the things in the brackets are what you want to replace. So we're going to copy and paste our link and post it right there. I'm going to copy this because I'm going to send this to everybody, or I'm actually going to change some of this. And we click send this, and boom, it says our message has been sent. Now, this works for a number of reasons. They're using Flickr a lot. You see them, they're active. They're going to see this next time they're on Flickr. If they have the Flickr app on their phone, they're going to get a notification, and they're going to see the Flickr thing in their email. So Flickr will send them an email saying somebody has sent you a message. All of these things, they're going to get hit 3 ways, and you can do this as many times as you possibly can. There may be a limit, I don't know. If somebody finds a limit of how many messages you can send a day, let me know in the comments. But this works. This is easy, this is fast, and if you understand the marketing psychology here, which I don't have time to explain, actually I suggest you check out my copywriting playlist about the art of copywriting. I'll have my people link to it somewhere here if you want to learn more about copywriting, but everything about how we're targeting people, our messaging, and how we're linking a product with our message is congruent throughout. So you can do this as many times as possible. If you're committed to doing this, type in photo money. Type in photo money in the comments below. Just get committed and put this into action. This is a way you can make money. Go out there. There's thousands and thousands and thousands and tens of thousands and perhaps even hundreds of thousands of people that have pro accounts, but you can message really anybody on Flickr with this sort of messaging. Oh, before I get to it, let me show you where the resources is. So you'll want to go to johncristani.com/resource, okay? And the link will also be in the description. This is where you will get the message templates, okay? johncristani.com/resource, and put that into action, and then you can start doing that. Go out there, make some money. Looking forward to seeing your success, and post about it when you get success. When you get your first commission, type it in the comments below. I love seeing people get success. We have a ton of people making a lot of money. So look forward to talking to you soon. Probably tomorrow. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment. See you.